Hello kids. Let's learn some new state verbs today. Ready? Listen carefully and repeat. Prefer. Prefer tea to coffee. Understand. Understand the rule. Think. Think about future. Know. Know the answer. Need. Need help. Want. Want a new phone. Hate. Hate spiders. Like. Like animals. Hear. Hear the noise. Feel. Feel tired. Well done. See you next time.